Our conditions remaining bullish in this bull market with a bull market rank of 25.22 towards the upper end of this range as we have some a potential Fed rate cut news coming in today. We've got momentum, which is now back up in the bullish trend location, also seeing breadth continuing to strengthen and sentiment, which has also been strengthening. We've been watching this little bit of a divergence happening here on sentiment, which may be noteworthy here in the next few days and weeks. We are getting a little bit of fear coming into the market, but not quite yet. We've got a buy-sell ratio, which is well above 1. We're at 2.95 and green above red, which means bulls are in charge at this time. We've got the indexes. Let's take a look at S&P 500 here, now leading the pack. The upper end of the range, attempted breakout here around this 566 area. We'll see if we get any kind of market move on this Fed rate cut. The issue is whether it's going to be 25 basis points or 50 basis points, and we could get some volatility around that news today on S&P 500. NASDAQ is still lagging rather. It needs to get a little bit more momentum here to bust up into that 482 range, and Dow has also been one of the stronger indices here in this most recent rally. It's now sitting up above that 416 again on DIA. Let's take a look at the sectors. We've got sector ETFs, which are continuing to show a lot of strength here. We've got the bulk of them in the uptrend. We did have one tick down. U.S. healthcare back down into a downtrend, short-term downtrend, and so still continuing to see strength overall in the market at this point. Gold having that big breakout at 233, a little bit of pausing here around the last couple of days. Silver also strong now up in this momentum zone and continuing to hold up that 2784 range. And then let's take a quick look at USO. We've got USO, which is attempting this rally back up to this 72 range. It had been down in the 67 range and potentially running into some resistance right here at that 72 area. Muscle stock group today continuing to see in moves in biotech. We've got some retail and tech names coming in here today. BLND, which has been in that upper range now, a decent trending stock here for the last month or two. Back up above that momentum zone, increasing volume. One to consider also seeing Carvana come back into the scan. Upper end of that range, which ideally we see them come back down into a support area and start from here, but oftentimes that momentum has already started. There could be some continuation on Carvana. That'll do it for today's update. Everyone have a fantastic day today.